Hello and welcome. I'm Scott Dennis.
And I'm Jacqueline Matter. Thanks for joining us. Topping our news at 6, police have arrested a Sarasota family attorney for allegedly taking advantage of clients who had recently lost a loved one.
Jordan Wallach charged with grand theft after police say he misappropriated at least $215,000 of life insurance checks, estate sale revenue, and other funds. ABC 7's Adam Cellini spoke with one of Wallach's alleged victims earlier today.
I'm standing outside the former Sarasota office of attorney Jordan Wallach, who Sarasota police say stole at least $215,000 from his clients. As you can see, the nameplates have since been removed, along with Wallach's ability to practice law in the state of Florida.
I'm extremely disappointed in him because I trusted him.
It's been a year and a half since Tiffany Scott lost her last living parent. Her mom, Susan, was a longtime client of a local family attorney, Jordan Wallach, so Tiffany trusted him to keep her $435,000 life insurance check.
He was not very good at communicating with us, with returning phone calls, with just keeping us up to date in the process until it was time for the life insurance check to come to him through the trust, and then I was receiving phone calls from him every day asking where it was and when we were going to give it to him.
When she gave him the check, she also got a tip she might not see it again, so she hired a new attorney and asked for that money back 3 days later. But it never came. Detective Ross Revel says this happened multiple times with at least 2 other clients.
Mr. Wallach was in a position of trust and was very high up, and they trusted him with this money, that he would keep it, and if they wanted to change attorneys like one of the victims did, then he would have that money available for them to do that. But he didn't act on that, and his misuse led to this.
Detective Revel also learned the Florida Bar Association had suspended Wallach pending an investigation into the same cases. He has since been voluntarily disbarred. Through bank records, they believe Wallach has stolen from more clients who haven't come forward.
If anybody else comes forward, then I'll try to point them in the right direction on how they can proceed as well.
As for Scott, one attorney's lies have made the pain of losing her mother hurt even worse.
Death alone is devastating, and then to just not have closure and have somebody steal from you and your family, and it's hard to explain, but he needs to be held accountable.
In Sarasota, Adam Cellini, ABC 7, your Suncoast News.